Tulisonga na mbele kana governor wa county ya Masako Mwandu Wavinya Ndeti ni wathu ya serikali cia county ilanene vamwe ene yandama kwa tembo amuika kithitone cho cha kuonania mautuika mona mono alama konetie teknolojia aine na umbano ni wa serikali cia mitio kana devolution conference ya mwaka wa 2025 kuya county ni ya Homa Bay. Governor Wavinya ni waweta kana amuika makinya mena utuika wa kuyana na kila mekwenda ni kukwatwa mbau undu vailite va aimathuthia maende na kwikia kithito maunduni makuna ya utonyi wo wa kutumia teknoloji. Brian Mwendo mkwelesio.
When our youth are doing these things, we should patent them so that nobody else, so that it is not stolen from them. It is very important.
Ni uneni wa governor wa county ya Masako Mwandu Wavinya Ndeti ndinoomba no vamwe ulovulanite magavana vamwe na atongo indeveni nene vanthi ya Kenya Wavinya ikatha muika kwa mautuika me mwanya muno maunduni ma teknolojia la maende kuonania matukuni I
really like to take this opportunity to thank the governor of Homa Bay for organizing this hackathon. Yes, she has told I'm a 90 person. I did my thesis in 1992 in artificial intelligence. And artificial intelligence then was just one thinking how the future was going to be. And I'm happy even to be alive today to see now artificial intelligence being used properly. Coding was very difficult for us those days, but it has become a bit easier for you guys. So for you here, the sky is not even the limit. We have very good brains in this country. Young people who are very, very intelligent. And I can tell you, we have even better than Elon Musk.
Wavinya ithutia muika kule ukongo ila maendeo tatetia maundu meu atio kwitha maitumie so yukuya ilia na kumantha umanyukuma kwa andu ala membe woke utuika va italanya county ya Masako ta imwe nengeta muika mwanya wa kuya ilia kwisila kwi mulati wa Konza Techno City.
You try, even if it doesn't work, don't give up. Talk to other people who know better than you and make what you're developing better. That is very key, to be persistent. You must be persistent, you must know the goal, and you must get to your goal. And I know, by the grace of God, you go there. And most of the host, Techno City is in Machakos County, Konza City. So we're also talking to the host of the Techno City, and the place was there before he moved to the national government, and they checked from the national government.
Kila Wavinya waweta dakika ya muika mwanyani wa mbenthi yonthe maunduni ma teknolojia ni kukwatwa mbau ni atongoi aiweta mota magavana ni meyumite kukwatilila muika zikeyoni cia kwikithia kana ndoto sio ni ciania.
And if we support them, if we support this young, if we support our youth, I am sure we will produce softwares that will do the work. What they need is just support. We as governors, the Council of Governors, the peers who don't in the government, we are willing to support the young people to move forward.
Brian Mwendo, Motongoi TV.